One of the big problems that we have in the world right now, and you may not be aware of, is that we put billions of light bulbs into the garbage every single year. Not millions, billions. And that becomes a significant problem in the community, and it's a really big waste of resources. What you've got is this little light that we make to be the cheapest we possibly can, and then we throw it away literally every year. Now you see a lot of ethical manufacturers putting lifetimes on their light bulbs of 6,000 to about 12,000 hours. So if a light bulb is in your factory and it's on all the time, you can expect that every year it's going to be replaced. In a lot of applications they'll last 2 or 3 years, but 2 or 3 years is pretty short time frame in the big picture of things. LED light bulbs are much more efficient than other light bulbs. So what used to be 40 watts now becomes, say, 6 to 8 watts. Well, we're doing the same with about 3 watts. And you might say to me, oh, but Wayne, what does it matter? 8 watts, 3 watts, it doesn't seem like a lot of difference. Like, what's the real big deal about just those few watts? But if they're on, 1 watt on for a year is between 2 and 20 pounds of carbon emissions in a year to have 1 watt on for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, depending on what your local power generating utility uses as its source of power. Every time we replace even a conventional LED light bulb with one of these, we save a significant amount of energy. This is going to last in around 20,000. So every 20,000 hours, the bulb will go out. And what you'll do, you'll just pull out this little card. And then with that little card, you will basically get its replacement. We'll be working with retailers to take these back and recycle these and collect all the materials. So you'll be able to replace 100 light bulbs with a box that can be put in your pocket when you go back from the store. You have a very, very simple ability to get the part that fails replaced, and you just slide it in and turn it on.